It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and...
Well, hey friends, it's Lady Cinnamon. Welcome back. Today it's episode number 16 of It's Fall, Y'all, a series that I'm doing on my channel. And I'm doing a Decorate With Me with Thelma from Simple Southern Reflections. Wonderful YouTube creator. She's a published author of music and poetry and other literary works. Also, she does DIYs. She does cooking, gardening, design, decor, upcycling, you name it. She does it on her channel. She's a great content creator. And guys, please stop by. I'll leave her information in the description bar below. Let her know that I sent you. Show her some love, and I'm sure you want to subscribe. Excellent creator. And we are going to be doing some fall decorating, guys. So I'm so happy that you'll be decorating with me. As you can see, I'm starting with that wood-bead pedestal, and I am also going to be using this little wood tray. I got it from HomeGoods and I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm sure if you've been following me, you've seen that tray before. So guys, I'm going to be adding in one of these vintage clear glass look vases. They're so pretty. I picked it up from Amazon and I'm absolutely in love with it. They're very trendy right now with the sparse type of greenery, and that's what I'm going for. It just gives you a cozy feel. So for the bottom, I'm adding in a little bit of florals down there, well, greenery I should say. And for the neck of this bottle, I'm going to just add in a little bit of those farmhouse wood beads, and they look really cute there, and some eucalyptus stems. I will leave all of these items in the description bar below if you want to get these from Amazon. They're pretty great price, and I just love the way they look. Also with that, I'm going to be adding in with those eucalyptus stems these picks from Hobby Lobby. I've had them for years and they're the grapevine picks. I think that they will look really nice with this, but as you can see, you can go without it. I just wanted to add it in because I'm going to be adding in that little bit of tone, that darker brown tone a little later on. And you know, I love cohesive decor design. So for this, I got this galvanized pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. I love the wood beads. As you can see, there's a theme that I'm going with, and that is cozy fall decor. I also love the two-tone metal on how the top where the grapevine is with the little leaf. It sort of has a bronze look to it, like just really pretty, and I love the way it looks. I'm also adding in a little decor sign that says pumpkin patch and those cute little pumpkins with that check to it. That's adorable. And I'm using decor that is neutral tone this year. I am going to be bringing in some autumn colors, but for now this is what I'm going for because it's early fall. It's great for transitioning, but I'm loving the way that it's turning out, and you guys know I love a cohesive design. And I'm going to leave this pedestal just the way it is. I think it's perfect, and now I'm going to start with the tray. So for the tray, I love this little tweed bird. I got him from Hobby Lobby. He's adorable. He has the same check on it, and I'm going to be using him on the other side of the tray. I think he's so cute with his little metal feet, and he's dressed and he's ready to go. I'm also going to be using another one of those little pumpkins. It matches so well. Not that it's too matchy-matchy. I think that's all I will do with the check, but I think it's so cute and adorable, and it's just great if you want to have some color without having too much color for neutral decor. On the other side, I'm going to add in this pumpkin. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I think it's so beautifully distressed. I really love the way it looks and the curves of it. It has a faux leather leaf on top with a little bit of rope, or it looks like jute, but it's not. I love the wood bead details on it, and I think it's so pretty. I am going to be putting this on the other side of my tray so that way I have some symmetry. That's what you want when you're doing a vignette, just a nice amount of symmetry, and I think it looks beautiful right there. And I'm just gonna pull that greenery out so that way you can see it, and it's just creating a nice visual with this vignette. Now for last, I'm going to be adding in this large acorn. I think it's so cute. I love the leaf texture on top. It's just so pretty. It's just big enough, but it's not too big to really round out the tray. And I'm going to be going in and adding this in. And it also, as you can see, it has the same darker tone brown that I'm going for that really brings all of these colors and tones together, even though they're neutral. It gives it that layering that you want on the tray with the lighter woods, the darker woods, the wood beads, the jute string, and it ties everything together with symmetry and cohesiveness. As you can see, it does have the darker tones for the top of this metal pumpkin and the pumpkin picks that are the grapevine picks and the florals, and it ties everything together. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I love to do that with cohesiveness. With the core, it just makes it look like it popped out of a magazine, and that's what I always try to go for, a really nice look with that. So I hope that you enjoyed this vignette that I created along with my dear sweet friend Thelma from Simple Southern Reflections. Please don't forget to go hit that link in my description bar below so you can go check out her channel. Awesome lifestyle creator, and I love her. She's so sweet and so great. And also, all of these items that you saw will be in description bar below if you're interested in scoring them for yourself for some nice cozy fall decor. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button and hit it bell twice so you're notified when I upload, and I'll see you all in the next video, and thank you all for watching.